I'm Judy Myhan. I'm the instructor for the food preparation course, Food Fundamentals.
I'm Jason Sherry. I'm the graduate student for this course, and I've really enjoyed myself learning, with the students as well as they have learned. We hope to see you in the kitchen.
Hi everybody, I'm Emma, and welcome to our food labs today. Today we're cooking some fish tacos. So first we started off with making some sauce to put on the fish tacos. So right here we have some pickled red onion and jalapeno. Really nice. You gotta slice those up. You get to learn how to cut fruits and vegetables. And we also made another dip to put the tacos in, which was called a Baja cream dip with mayo and sour cream, but that's in the refrigerator because you have to keep that cold. And then we had to make our own breadcrumbs, so we cut up some bread and put it in the blender and made our own little breadcrumbs. And then next we're going to take the fish, and we're going to chop it up, and we're going to dip it in that Baja cream and the breadcrumbs and put it in the oven and bake it. And then we have your fish taco. We are applying the principles of good food economics by taking our old stale bread that was in the freezer, thawing it out, chopping it up, putting it in the blender, and processing it to make breadcrumbs for our Baja fish tacos.
Alright, hi, my name's Kristen. I'm going to tell you a little bit about food safety in our food lab. First of all, we have to wear our headbands to make sure we don't get our hair in our food. We wear a lab coat every time for lab, and then closed-toe shoes to make sure we don't spill anything on our feet, I guess. Every time in the lab, we make sure we wash our hands for about 30 seconds to kill all the bacteria. So today, we're working with poultry and fish. So we want to make sure that we wash our hands frequently and to avoid cross-contamination, and make sure that our fish is going to be cooked till it's done to avoid any bacteria. We want to make sure we kill all bacteria. We're working with vegetables and poultry, or fish. We're going to cut our vegetables on one cutting board, and then we're going to cut our poultry on another one, and using a separate knife so we avoid cross-contamination. You did?
We're in Food Fundamentals. I'm Suzanne. I love this class because we get to learn about food in the classroom, and then we get to make food and practice everything we learned in the lab. And some people came in here, they didn't know how to boil water. Now they do. Now they know a lot more than that too. Every week we have a different theme. Some days we do grains, some days we do fat, some days we do poultry, some days we do fruits or vegetables, and it's just a lot of fun. And we have a huge feast after. The whole class sits down together and we all share our recipes. I'm from New Jersey, so Louisiana is definitely a different experience for me, especially the food. I've learned so much about the cuisine, both through this class and just being around downtown and at my friends' houses. So it's so much fun for me to go home for spring break, and every day of the week I can make a new recipe that I learned in class. So I'm really excited about that, and my family will be very happy as well.